done it again. This El Capitan tier build on a 170 is gorgeous. Let me show you some of the things that we've included in this. On the front, we've got the Baja Designs LP9 Pros. Those are mounted directly onto that front bumper. The bumper is from CA Tuned. It's very durable. It's an aluminum construction, so it's still going to be really lightweight. We've got the upgraded wheel and tire package on this van. These are the armories from Black Rhino. We've got the Nitto Ridge grapplers mounted to that. And if you peek under here, we've got the suspension system from Agile Off-Road. This ladder is from FVCO. I love this company. They're coming out with such great products. Very durable. You can climb up that, clean off your solar panels, mount gear to your roof. The roof rack is also from FVCO. These capsules are from Van Speed. These are going to give you additional interior space on the inside of your van. The tire carrier is from La Saguaro, super beefy. The armory looks super sick in this. The passenger side, we have a mini monster box from Owl Vans. And just above that are two one-up bike trays for all of your bike needs. So much space in this garage. Dual pull-out trays. These are from Flatline. Very, very heavy duty. They can hold up to 500 pounds. They were designed for transporting bikes. They can be used for storage, for barbecues. Couldn't recommend those higher. 800 amp hours of battery. 20, that is 20 gallons of potable water, and an outdoor shower port. This awning is from Nomadic Cooling. It's very rugged. It will not mold. It will not mildew. It is, as you can see, legless, so it does support itself. It is fully electric. Along the bottom and the top are LED lights, so it illuminate all of your expeditions. And underneath your little awning, we have included an outdoor table. The magnets on that are very strong. That is not going to fall. You have to want that to come down. Step on in, my little van lifers. We've got Scopema swivels on the front seats, overhead cabinets. This one includes the control panel. You'll be able to control all the systems in your van from that panel there. Down below is the Alpine bed to bench seat. This thing is so cool. As you can see, it'll be facing outwards. If you unhinge this pin here, that is a locking pin, and that'll keep it in place. You can slide this forward, allowing you to have it front facing. Again, that pin will lock into place there. But that's not all. This also folds into a bed. There's a latch down at the front. If you release that, this will pull forward and then flip down, giving just enough room. Pulling this lever. Now you have a bed, baby. All right, I'm going to put this up for the rest of the video. All right, now we're back. We have in here this absolutely gorgeous tiled shower with the black door. The Lavio dry flush is in there with the black waterproof cover on it. Floor to ceiling closet space with the shelves up top, garment racks down below. This mattress is super comfy. We use a memory foam mattress in all of our builds. Overhead cabinets over here. Above the bed is the Nomadic X2 air conditioning unit. Super powerful. It's going to pump out so much cool air, keeping you super chill in the summer. The 24-inch TV is mounted onto a swivel. You'll be able to watch TV when you're in bed, while you're pooping, if you're up front having a little party. Double induction cooktop. Beautiful stainless steel fridge freezer combo. Freezer. An entire frickin' microwave. The sink has the cover on it. This dual purposes. It'll keep things from falling in your sink. It'll also act as additional counter space. Speaking of, more additional counter space. Thanks for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.